Hello guys, once again welcome to the channel The Nautical Guru, and today video is again related to the Navisalor 4000 Transas ECDIS. Now the name has been changed to Wartsila since the Wartsila has taken over the Transas. So today video is about using the ERBL in the shortcut mode. So normally when we can see that on the Transas screen the cursor is showing view. Okay, so if I want to know the distance from this, so I will just click and take my cursor there, and it will give me on the right side the bearing, the distance, everything, but there is no bearing line from the ship. So once you want to know the bearing line, what will you do? You will just again come back to the view and you just click right. So once you click right, it will change into ERBL. The cursor will change from view to ERBL. Again click, it will change to zoom. Again click, again back to view, and again ERBL. Once it is in ERBL, then you can use the range bearing feature, electric range bearing line. So once you click over here, you can see that there is a bearing line now from the ship toward this island. Now you can either use this for calculating, but this you can also get from normal when you use view. Only difference is that there is no bearing line at that time, but sometime you want to calculate distance, offset distance. For example, I want to calculate from this island to my coastline, what is the difference. So what you will do, again you will take your this point and you will just go to the point where you want to offset your electric range bearing line. I will click over left click here and see the bearing line is shifted to this point, this particular point. Now I can check bearing and range of from this point to anywhere. So let me check for my coastline. For example, for my coastline, this is now showing me the bearing is 149, opposite bearing 329, and range is 10.1. so I am crossing 10.1 mile from this island. So this was the procedure of using offset electric range bearing line. Now if you want to come back, just again left click, it will come to the ship, and then you just right click, it will come back to ERBL. Again right click, it will again go back to zoom, and then click right click again and it will come back to view. So this is the procedure for using electric range bearing line directly using mouse and cursor, and again coming back to check making it offset. So if you like this video, kindly press the like button and kindly subscribe my channel and share my videos. Thank you.